everybody, welcome back to Talking with Genevieve. Today I'm going to be exploding vinegar and baking soda, but someone is going to be doing it with me. A special guest starring my mom.
Hi.
Okay, so
First you're going to put 2 teaspoons of this into the bottle very carefully, okay? Can you do that? Okay. You can do a little more if you want. Okay. Put a little more on this side.
yeah.
Yeah, let's just stop the rest of this.
Here it comes.
And you can put a little bit more vinegar. Yeah, but careful. Can I help you? Yeah, that'd be better. Oh boy.
Wait,
You can put all that.
all of it?
There you go.
That's the biggest one.
Grind it down.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.